Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, this is Murad Khandakar, and today I am going to discuss one more topic. As you can see, that is 1.4 exercise 1, page number 10 of class math, class 4 math. So that is class 4 math, and we will be discussing page number 10's question number 2. So question number 2 says, write these numbers in both figures and words. So there is a direction given that the question says write these numbers in both figures and words. So what you have to do, that is we have to write them in figures, that is in numbers, as well as in also words. So let's start. That is the first one, the number made of 45,000. So what we have to do, that is number made of 45, that is a solution that is like this. Number made of 45. So as you can see, that is thousands. So the number made of 45,000, that means number will be made of 45 and thousands, that means 45,000. Okay, so what you have to do, that is this is 1000 and this is 45, okay, and this is 1000. So what you need to do, you first write this one 45, and whatever you have you multiply with them, that is 1000, that means 1000. Okay, so you just write the digits here and you take the word that is written, that does mean 1000, that means 1000. So that is 45 multiplied with 1000, so that is going to be 45,000. Okay, that is 45,000. The number made of 45,000 is 45,000. So how you need to write is, that is figure, in figure, that is 45,000. Okay, and in words, you have to write 45,000. This is how that is in words and that is in figure. That means figure, that means you have to write in digits. Okay, just put the digits, that is called figure. And in words you have to write the number in sentence, like 45,000. Okay, that is the first one. So I have given, that is 2, question number 2 1. Okay, so that is question number 2 1. So I'm telling you one thing, that is for making it easier, that whenever you have, that is 45,000, if it was 3500, what happened? If it was written in 3500s, what you have done? You have done, that is you just put this 35 here in digits, multiply, and just put this 100 here, that means 100 is 100. So that is 35 120, so 20, that is 3500. Okay, so this is the answer. That's how you need to do it. Whatever your number is given here, and just beside the word is written there, so you just multiply both of them. Okay, if it is lakhs, it is ojos, whatever it is, just multiply with it. Okay, so okay, let's go to the next one. That is next one is the number made of 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs. So that is also too easy, that is 100 lakhs means what? I'm going for the solution, that is, so the number made of 100 lakhs will be 100 multiply with lakhs, that means 1 lakhs, 1 lakh. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ojut, lakhs. Yes, so that is 1 lakhs. Okay, so 100 with 1 lakh, what will be? 100 lakhs, that is equal 1 crore. So what you do, that is just put these 2 zeros here and you put 1 2 3 4 5 zeros here, 1 2 3 4 5. So that is 100 lakhs is equal 1 crore. Okay, so that is pretty clear. 100 lakhs equal 1 crore. Okay, now as you can see, that is if you have 35 lakhs, what you have done, you would have written 35 into 1 lakh, so 35 lakhs would have been. So solution will be in word, in figure, 1 crore. Okay, and you can see that is written in figure here, in figure, that is 1 crore, and in word, sorry that is in figure, that means in number, figure, that means just write it here, figure, that is 1. So that's how it is. Okay, so in figure that is 1 crore and in word that is 1 crore, or you can write 100 lakhs. Okay, so that's it, that is the second one. I'm moving to the next one. The number made of 1000 thousands. So this one, everyone making mistake here. Just I told you 1000 thousand, that means you have 1000 thousands. Okay, so what you do, solution is exactly the same. That is, you have to put this 1000, that is 1000, and this 1000 you will have to multiply, and this comes this 1000, so you have to write 1000. So what you can see, that is 1000 multiplied with 1000. So answer will be, okay, and this 1 2 3. So that is it. Say 10 lakhs. Okay, so that is 10 lakhs. So that is 10 lakhs. Okay, so that is 10 lakhs. As you can see clearly, that is 10 lakhs is the answer. That means 1000 multiplied with 1000 will be 10 lakhs. So that is in figure. So in figure, that figure will be 10 lakhs. So in word, 10 lakhs. So that is the answer of number 3. That is pretty easy. Just take this one and multiply with whatever written there. Okay, and next, that is Next one is number made of number 4. This is number 4. So the number made of 127 thousands. 127 thousands. I'm giving it capital letter because I want to make it visible much more. That's why giving capital letters. But this will be in small letters. So solution exactly the same. Exactly the same. That is 127 will come here, and you have a multiplication sign, and thousands will come here. Okay, this is thousand. So as you can see, that is, you don't put this sign. Okay, students, you don't put. I'm just showing you how to do this. Don't put this sign. Don't put this sign. Just showing you. So what is the answer? That is 127 and 000. So that is 127,000. That is 1,27,000. Okay, 1,27,000. So here you go. That is 1,27,000. This is the answer, and this is in figure. In figure, this is the answer, 1,27,000, and in word you have to write it 1,27,000. That's how it is. Okay, that is also very easy. And next move to the final one, that is number 5. The number made of the question 5 is number made of what? 10 lakhs, 10 thousands, 10 hundred, 10 hundred and 10. So what you need to do, first you have to find out what is 10 lakhs in figures, what is 10 thousands in figures, what is 10 hundreds in figures, and what is 10 in figure. So first of all, we are taking this first one, that is 10 lakhs. That means 10 multiplied with 1 lakh. So that will be 10 lakhs. So that will be 10 lakhs. Okay, now we are moving next one, that is 10,000. This is we are moving on. Okay, so that is 10 thousands. This will be 1,000 equal 10 thousands. Okay, this is 10 thousands. So next move, that is 10 hundreds. So 10 hundreds, that is 10 into 100 equal 1,000. Okay, and last is 10 equal 10. So what you need to do, that is you have to add all of them. Add. Okay, so that is 0 here, and that is next is 1. Okay, so we are coming to the next number, that is this 0, and the fourth number, that is 1, that is 1. Okay, so we have this fourth number gone. Now we are moving to the next one, that is 1 0 1. Okay, so that is 10,11,010. So this is the answer. Okay, you have to add all of them. First you have to find out what you have. This is this is an addition sign, plus sign, that is a plus sign. So first one we take 10 lakhs here, this one, and this 10,000 we take here, and this is 10 hundreds we have taken here, and only 10 last we have taken here. So you can see that we have taken all of them, and the number will be total of this. So total of this is this one. So this is the answer. You have to do this way. Okay, I hope you understand, and thank you. We'll come with one more video very soon. Okay.